ko. When I was there, um, based sa nakalap ko impormasyon, walang nangyaring insidente na hinimatay si Digong. Yung sinasabi ni Sara na hinimatay, unconscious, 3 beses, walang ganon. And in fact, even the wife, si Mrs. Zimmerman,
Zimmerman, no?
sinasabi niya, walang ganon, okay yung asawa niya, masaya, lahat. Kaya there is no cognitive decline, there is no physical or medical condition. Talaga nagsisinungaling lang yung magkakapatid.
Okay. So talagang
Yeah.
parang there was no official anything na pinadala ka doon ng government. Because one, you're not connected anyway with the
I'm
whatsoever,
not.
no?
Yes.
So this is in your as part of the invitation of the ICC. Is that what you're saying?
Yes. In my private capacity, I was invited there dahil simula noong 2017, dahil una nga kami nag-file ng communication, may engagement na kami with the ICC. Tinutulungan namin sila mag-produce ng testigo, mga dokumento. Kaya na-appreciate naman nila yung mga
efforts ninyo.
efforts ng samahan. So doon, diniscuss lang yung iba't ibang sangay ng ICC. Marami kasi yan. It's not just one entity or department.
Etong si is it Kaufman or something?
Kaufman.
Yeah? Have you had a chance to talk with him?
No.
No.
Kasi I think he rarely visits the ICC naman eh. So ito lang, tinignan. Kasi kailangan malaman din natin kung ano ba. Kasi interested party kami. Eh ngayon, merong pending yung interim release, di ba? Kaya palagi ko yung sinasabi nilang ganito yung kondisyon, cognitive decline, hinimatay, gano'n. Palagi kong audience nito yung pre-trial chamber na mag-grant ng interim release. Ano sila ng kaawaan, gano'n. At the same time, yung mga Duterte supporters din sa Pilipinas para ano yung base nila, ma-rile up at magalit. Pero hindi totoo.
So he's well.
He's well.
There's nothing wrong with him physically.
Yeah.
So short of saying he's fit for trial.
Yes.
That's what you're saying, no?
And ngayon, yung medical evaluation niya ongoing. So within the next few weeks, matatapos 'yon. Then the pre-trial chamber will decide kung kailan nila isa-schedule yung confirmation of charges hearing. So most likely November 'yon.